Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss the equation of circle passing through non-collinear points in different ways. Now, the equation of circle passing through three non-collinear points. So, here in method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. So, in this video, we are going to learn that the equation of circle passing through the three non-collinear points by using these four methods. One by one, we are going to discuss now. Now, method 1 I am going to discuss now. Find the equation of circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. The first method is best method. See that what method we are going to apply. The first step is let the required equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. This equation is passing through the first point, second point, third point. You have to substitute in place of x comma y point by point. Equation 1 is passing through three comma 4. So in place of x comma y, substitute 3 comma 4. 3 square plus 4 square plus 3 into 2z, that means 6g plus 8f plus c equal to 0. 9 plus 16 is 25. First g, f, c and constant. Like this we have to write. 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. Put that equation number 2. Same procedure. Equation 1 passing through next point 3 comma 2. In place of x comma y, 3 comma 2 substitute. 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 equal to 0. Equation number 3. Equation 1 is passing through the last point. One comma 4. So wherever x comma y is there, replacing with 1 comma 4. 1 plus 16 plus 2z plus 8f plus c equal to 0. 2z plus 8f plus c plus 17 equal to 0. After getting of these steps, our aim is from second, third, fourth equations, you have to eliminate C from these three equations. So simultaneously from 2 and 3 you have to eliminate C, from 3 and 4 you have to eliminate C by subtracting respective equations. So equation 2 minus equation 3. That implies, what is equation 2? 6G plus 8F plus C plus 25 equal to 0. Equation 3, that means this one, 6G plus 4F plus C plus 13. While subtracting, sign change. Here minus, that means subtracting one equation from other. Whenever subtracting, sign change. Wherever plus is there, you have to get minus. Plus 6Z minus 6Z get cancelled. Plus C minus C get cancelled. 8F minus 4F plus 4F. 25 minus 13 plus 12 equal to 0. That implies 4F is equal to minus 12. F is equal to minus 3. After that, equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously you have to solve that equations. Now, equation 3 minus equation 4. That implies equation 3 is 6Z plus 4F plus C plus 13 equal to 0. Equation 4, 2Z plus 8F plus C plus 17 equal to 0. While subtracting, sign change. Here symbol is minus, here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus. So plus C minus C get cancelled. 6Z minus 2Z is 4Z. 4F minus 8F is minus 4F. 13 minus 17 is minus 4 equal to 0. All are multiples of 4. So dividing each and every term by 4 or take common 4 from the throughout the equation. So dividing by 4, G minus F minus 1 is equal to 0. This you have to keep that equation number 5. In equation 5, F value we got it from here. So F is equal to minus 3, substitute here, you will get the value of G. F equal to minus 3, substitute in equation 5. So G minus of minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. G plus 2 equal to 0. So G equal to minus 2. G value, F value we got it. To get C value, either in second or third or fourth equation, you have to substitute G and F values. So among these three equations, this equation contains small values 2, 8 and 17. So you can, any of the equations you can substitute. G, F values, substitute in equation 4. So 2 into minus 2 plus 8 into F value is minus 3 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. So minus 4 minus 24 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. Minus 28 plus 17 plus C equal to 0. So minus 28 plus 17 minus 11 plus C equal to 0. So C equal to 11. Now C, G and F values substitute in the required equation, that is 1. G comma F and C values substitute in equation 1. Then we get x square plus y square plus 2 into G value is minus 2 into x plus 2 into F value is minus 3 into y plus 11 equal to 0. that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle in method 1. Now method 2, same problem. Find the equation of circle passing through the points. In previous method, we have taken the general equation of circle to get the equation of circle passing through these 3 points. See that from this, in this second method, draw the rough diagram of the circle. Let us consider the circle center is either alpha comma beta or h comma k. Here I am considering h comma k. So let the center of required circle, be C of h comma k. This is the first point in the diagram. Next, given points, you can assume that P, Q, R. P of 3 comma 4, Q of 3 comma 2, and Q of 1 comma 4. These 3 are passing through the circle. So here I am taking P, here I am taking Q, here I am taking R. Join like this. We know that the distance from center of the circle to the any point lies on the circle is equal to radius. So from this diagram we have CP equal to CQ equal to CR, which is equal to radius of the circle. Now what I am going to do is to get the coordinates of h comma k, center coordinates, we need to get equations by equating Cp equal to Cq and Cq equal to Cr. Now consider Cp equal to Cq. Squaring on both sides, Cp square is equal to Cq square. That implies Cp square means the distance between Cp and square. Whenever square is there, without root you have to write it. C is there, P is there here. So h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square is equal to h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. That implies h square minus 6h plus 9 plus k square minus 8k plus 16 is equal to h square minus 6h plus 9 plus k square minus 4k plus 4. On both sides, h square plus k square, h square plus k square. Here plus 9, here also plus 9, you have to cancel it. Even minus 6h also. So now rest of the terms, minus 8k plus 16. Here also minus 4k and 4 we are taking this side. Minus 4k we can take this side plus 4k. Minus 4 we can take this side minus 4. That implies minus 8k plus 4k is minus 4k. 16 minus 4 is 12 equal to 0. That implies 4k equal to 12. That implies k equal to 3. You put it in box the value of k. Now again you have to consider either CQ equal to CR or CP equal to CR. Now I am considering CQ equal to CR. Now CQ equal to CR, squaring on both sides, CQ square equal to CR square. That implies CQ square. Distance between C point and Q point square is there without root you write. H minus 3 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square is equal to H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square. That implies H square minus 6H plus 9 K square minus 4K plus 4 equal to H square minus 2H plus 1 plus K square minus 8K plus 16. Both sides K square, H square, K square cancel. Here minus 6H minus 4K, 9 plus 4, 13. Minus 2H we can take this side plus 2H. Minus 8K we can take this side plus 8K. 1 plus 16 is 17. We can take this side minus 17 equal to 0. That implies minus 6H plus 2H minus 4H minus 4K plus 8K plus 4K. 13 minus 17 equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. All are multiples of 4. So here first term is having minus throughout dividing by minus 4. So dividing by minus 4 it will becomes H minus K plus 1 equal to 0. Here we have to keep that equation number 1. So in equation number 1 already we got the value of K. So K is equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1 we get H minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. That implies H minus 2 equal to 0. That implies H is equal to 2. Now H is equal to 2 and K is equal to 3 is the center of the circle. Therefore, center of required circle, center C equal to H comma K, which is equal to 2 comma 3. After getting the value of center coordinates, we need to calculate radius r is equal to CP or CQ or CR. So small r radius is equal to radius small r equal to CP. Not only CP, you can consider CQ, CR also. So CP equal to distance between C point and P point. 2 comma 3. Here we got the values is 2 comma 3. And P point is what? 3 comma 4. So 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to square root of 2 minus 3 whole square is 1. 3 minus 4 is also minus 1 whole square is plus 1 root 2. So radius is equal to root 2. In previous classes we know that the equation of circle whose center is H comma K with radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. The required equation of circle, the required equation of the circle whose center is h comma k, that is equal to, according to this, 2 comma 3, and radius r is r equal to root 2 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to root 2 whole square. So now expanding, x square minus 4x plus 4, y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to root 2 whole square is 2. This 2 we can take this side. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 2 equal to 0. That is, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. We observe that method 1, method 2, both answers are same, but the way is different. Next, third method I am going to introduce to you. Next, third method. In the third method, first what we have to do, given points and give the names. 3 points are there. Here I am not writing particularly, already it is there. Given points. First point is x1, y1. Second point is x2, y2. Third point is x3, y3. So 3 points are there. The equation of circle passing through x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. The equation of circle passing through x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is very important. You remember this model. It will be help in competitive exams, this formula. X square plus y square, 3 by 3 determinant you have to write. In these 3 rows, 3 columns are there. In this first column, x coordinates of the points x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, second column. Last column replaced with ones, plus x into again determinant 3 by 3. First column was replaced with C1, C2, C3. I will tell what is C1, what is C2, what is C3. C1, C2, C3, C2, C3. That means second column, third column will be as usual from here. Y1, 1, Y2, 1, Y3, 1. Plus Y into again 3 by 3 determinant. First column x coordinates x1, x2, x3. Second column was replaced with C1, C2, C3. And here last column is 1, 1, 1 plus last determinant which is equal to 0. In this last determinant what we have to do? The third column 1, 1, 1 is there. This third column was replaced with C1, C2, C3. The rest of the columns will be the same. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, C1, C2, C3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle passing through x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Observe that carefully. X square plus y square, determinant of x1, y1, first point, second point, third point, and third column will be 1, 1, 1. Plus x coordinate x into. The first column was replaced with C1, C2, C3. Rest of the columns will be same, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 plus y into. This second column was replaced with C1, C2, C3. So x1, y1 here, x1, y into x1, x2, x3, C1, C2, C3 and 1, 1, 1 plus the last determinant. In this last determinant what we are taking is the given points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 as first and second columns. Last column is replaced with C1, C2, C3. What is C1, what is C2, what is C3? Here commonly I am writing Ci equal to minus of xi square plus yi square, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3. How many points are there? 3 points are there. We can write as 1, 2, 3. From this only we will calculate C1, C2, C3. See here, C is C1, I is equal to 1 we are substituting. That means I is equal to 1 we are substituting means minus of x1 square here. x1 square means what? 3 square. 9 plus y1 square means 4 square. 16 which is equal to minus 25. Therefore, C1 value is minus 25. Calculate C2. Minus of C2 means C2 square, x2 square plus y2 square. 9 plus 4, which is equal to minus 13. Next, C3. C3 is equal to minus of x square plus y, x3 square plus y3 square plus 1 plus 16, which is equal to minus 17. Now, these values we have to substitute here. Before going to substitute in this, calculate these respective determinants and substitute directly the values. Now, first determinant I am calculating. x1, y1, 1. x2, y2, 1. x3, y3, 1. Determinant of 3, 4, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1. We know that how to expand this. So 3 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 into 3 minus 1 2 plus 1 into 12 minus 2 10, which is equal to minus 6 minus 8 plus 10, which is equal to minus 14 plus 10 minus 4. So the first determinant value is minus 4. Come to the second determinant. C1 y1 1, C2 y2 1, C3 y3 1, which is equal to C1 C2 C3 directly write it minus 25, C2 is minus 13, C3 is minus 17. Y1, Y2 remaining is same. 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 1. You have to expand. Minus 25 into 2 minus 4. So minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 13 plus 17. So minus 13 plus 17 means plus 4. So plus 1 into 13 4 minus 52 plus 34. Minus 52 plus 34, which is equal to 50 minus 16. So here minus value only more. So we can get minus 18 minus 52 plus 34. So it will become, this is minus 34, which is equal to 50 minus 34. 50 minus 34 means 16. So second determinant value is 16. Now third determinant of x1 c1. x1 first column you have to replace with 3 3 1, and second column is c1 c2 c3. That means minus 25 minus 13 minus 17 1 1 1. So sorry, here I forgot to write these values. x1 x2 x3 c1 c2 c3 1 1 1. Now plus minus plus 3 into minus 13 plus 17, which is equal to 4, minus of minus plus 25 into 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 1 into minus 51 plus 13, which is equal to 12 plus 50 minus 51 plus 13 minus 38 minus 38. So this is 62 minus 38, which is equal to 24. Now last determinant we can calculate this one. Here only we'll calculate. The last determinant is x1 y1 c1. x2, y2, c2, x3, y3, c3. So 3, 3, 1, y1, y2, y3. So 4, 2, 4. C1, C2 means minus 25, minus 13, minus 17. So we have to expand 3 into minus 34 plus 52, minus 4 into minus 51 plus 13 plus, sorry, minus 25 plus into minus 25 is 12 minus 2, which is equal to minus 34 plus 52 is 18, that is plus 18. 3 into plus 18 minus 4 into is minus 38. So minus 25 into 10 is a 54. 38 into 4 minus into minus plus, it goes to 32. Plus 152 plus, sorry, minus 250, which is equal to 152, 154, 6. So 152, 154, 206 minus 250, which is equal to minus 44. This is the last determinant. Now, these values substitute in this required equation. Therefore, the required equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared into, what is the first determinant value here? Minus 4. Plus x into second determinant value, this one, 16. Plus y into third determinant value, 24. And last determinant, minus 44 equal to 0. So observe that in every term, minus 4, here 16, here 24, here minus 44. All are multiples of 4 and minus 4 especially here. So throughout dividing by minus 4, it will becomes x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Dividing by minus 4. So therefore, the required equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So in this also we got the same result. The last method I am going to discuss now. Next method, fourth method. This is by using perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. See how we are going to do that. So the first 3 points, given 3 points, given 3 points. Given points 3, 4, x1, y1, 3, 2, and give the names. One is P and Q, 3, 2, and R, 1, 4. Like this, you have to draw the diagram. Here the point P, 3, 4. Here the point Q, 3, 2. And here the point R, 1, 4. Join these points join like this. These are the sides of the triangle. So this circle we are going to calculate now. First, to get the circle equation, we need to calculate center of the circle. How to calculate center of the circle is, first calculate any sides, suppose either PQ or PR or QR. I am going to calculate PQ side and PR side by using 2-point form of the straight line. The perpendicular bisectors of these two sides intersection will be the required equation of circle center. See, this is the midpoint of PQ. This I am assuming that M is the midpoint. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2, 6 by 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 by 2. Midpoint of PR is equal to N. So midpoint 1 plus 3 by 2, that means 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2 means 2. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. The perpendicular bisectors of these two sides, not only these two sides, if we calculate this side also we can, but not necessary now. 3, 3, 4. This is perpendicular bisector of the side PQ. That means this slope is equal to -1 by slope of PQ. This is perpendicular bisector of side PQ passing through which point? 3, Q. 3, 3. The equation of perpendicular bisector of PQ passing through which point? 3, 3. Q is understood that passing through 3, 3. Y minus 3 equal to, this is x1, y1. No, if you write x1, y1 again confusion. Y minus y1 equal to, perpendicular bisector means perpendicular slope, -1 by slope of PQ, 4 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 3, 0 into x minus 3. So denominator will become numerator. Y minus 3 equal to 0 into x minus 3. 0 into anything is 0. So y minus 3 equal to 0. So perpendicular bisector of side PQ is, this line is y is equal to 3. This line. In the same way, the equation of perpendicular bisector of PR also calculate. The equation of perpendicular bisector of PR is passing through which point? 2, 4. So y minus 4 equal to -1 by slope of PR, 4 minus 4, 0 divided by 1 minus 3, 2. Sorry, 1 minus 3, minus 2 into x minus 2. So minus minus cancel, denominator, numerator. Y minus 4 equal to 2 by 0 into x minus 2, cross multiplying, x minus 2 equal to 0. This line is x minus 2 equal to 0. If you solve these two equations, we get the center of the circle. These perpendicular bisectors. C value is required center. So now the center of the circle equal to the center of the required circle. The required circle equal to the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of sides PQ and PR. PQ and PR. So directly the solving these two equations means xa minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. So here already we wrote y is equal to 3. So center C equal to x comma y, which is equal to 2 comma 3. We got that center generally denoted by h comma k. Center we got it. Whenever we know center, from center to calculate the distance from center to any point on the circle, it will become radius, either CP or CQ or CR. So I am calculating CP as a radius r equal to square root of C is 2 comma 3 now. So 2 minus 3 whole square 1 plus 3 minus 4 whole square minus 1 whole square, which is equal to root of 1 plus 1 is root 2. So radius is equal to root 2, center is h comma k. Therefore conclusion step. The equation of circle whose center is h comma k, that is 2 comma 3, and radius r root 2 is, alright, formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to root 2 whole square, x square minus 4x plus 4, y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 2. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 2 equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle in method 4. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe. If you like, you give any if you have any doubts still in these 4 methods in this regard, you can write to my inbox. I'll help you. Thank you very much for watching my videos.